Hey folks, thanks for jumping on this video, and today we're going to do the mrcool care kit on my split HVAC system from mrcool. It's pretty easy. It's all a self-contained kit that allows you to keep your mrcool AC unit running like a dream. So let's get to it and open up the box and see what's inside. So inside, you're going to have your deep cleaning foam cleaner, a water bottle that you're going to use to basically use a low pressure water to squirt on the vents of the condenser unit so that you don't bend them with regular water pressure. And it has a bag to put underneath it so that all the residue doesn't get on your floor. New filters, and then of course the instructions. First thing that you want to do is to get your bag ready, and it comes with a valve and a tube to drain into a bucket. You put that hole into the valve, or the valve into the hole, and then screw it down. As you can see, so you want to screw that valve into there and then hand tighten it, and then you'll come back to the other side and you'll see that the opening is there for this tube to go in. And you'll take your cap for it, run the tube through there, and it's a compression fitting. You just hand tighten that, and then that'll go into your bucket. Okay, so you're going to want to fill up. So you'll take the tube that comes in it, put it into the insert that, make sure these are tightened down good, and then screw that on to there. And this is to wash the foam off, like I said, with a low pressure. Just pump it up and then you'll spray it. So I made sure I cut the power off to the AC unit, and then I'll go put the bag on and pull the filters out. So I went and I pulled the filters off, and as you can see, they are very dirty. Now what we're going to do is spray the foam cleaner into this area here, make sure I don't get any electrical components or what have you, but to clean it real well and shake up your foam cam real good and have at it. So I'll let that sit for a little bit. Then I'm gonna get a ladder to go up and see on the top area of it. You wanna make it look like Santa Claus's beard. So now it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna spray a little bit in there. So now that I've got the coils all washed down, and again, make sure you use the provided sprayer, not a water hose, because these things are very sensitive and you can bend them. You don't want them bent. And you'll see the foam just washes right down, then it comes out the louver. So, and then it comes down the tube here and protects your floor. But if it's in a garage like mine, I guess you really don't need that. But I wanted to show you in case yours is inside your house or what have you. And then what I'm going to do is wipe it all down and clean it up on the outside with, just regular cleaner and some paper towels, and then clean the filters. And you after you wash them, it says to let them kind of air dry, and I put the new filters in. And they should slide right back into place. There's little tracks that they slide into and back down. Again, you'll put the black side of the air filter going out, and then they just slide right into their channel. And then up into their tracks. Couldn't be any easier. And so now we'll move to the outside to clean the unit outside. So we're going to take our spray from the inside that we have left over to spray the coils out here, and it's all the way around to the back too, and let it sit for a few minutes, and then spray it off with a water hose. So as you can see, I've sprayed it all down. Looks like Santa Claus's beard, and let that sit for a few minutes, and then I'll get my water hose and wash that all off in the back side and the front side, clean it up real good. So now you can see I've washed all the foam off and cleaned it all up, and washed down the outside so it looks brand new again. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I appreciate the support as always. Please hit that like and subscribe button so that we can get our content recognized by YouTube. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining. Have a nice day.